get this for me.
See presents?
Katie. I have to got me more Dorothy shoes that are only silver Dorothy shoes.
Oh, maybe Santa thought those would match more of your clothes.
What'd you get, Katie?
They're bigger.
You got a pillow pet?
You got a pillow pet?
I asked for a dog.
That's awesome.
Yeah. He doesn't bring you 3 pillow pets. He brings you one.
There's a cat in the house.
A cat.
Look at the kitty.
Kitty, let's see what's in here. A pillow pet. Ooh, the garage. I know what's in one of my purses.
What?
I like to wear my shoes like this. Kitty, don't touch anything.
Oh, do those fit better?
Yeah.
They're a little bigger than your other
Oh,
ones.
mommy, there's a one to
Something
go
must have
up
been
to
your
the second
size.
one.
Yeah, push that little handle, I think. See the little handle there on the
And
side?
then you can push it down. But this one's
Then
the
you
puzzles.
like that.
The puzzles.
It needs some use so that it
The
makes it
pillow
smooth.
necklace.
Natalie, I think it's over 3 feet
Oh
tall.
my goodness.
Audrey, don't.
Yeah, Audrey, come sit next to this. Here, come stand next.
Natalie.
Come stand next to this dollhouse.
Okay, just don't open anything, Audrey. Audrey. Ooh, I love this thing. I love this thing. I love this thing.
Who's that for?
Katie,
Oh, Katie, what is that?
the little roller coaster.
Hold on, Audrey. Put those down.
No, Daddy, I remember that from the Home Depot in Wisconsin. Remember the roller coaster I always used to go down in Wisconsin?
From Menards?
Sit on it?
No, from Home Depot.
Katie has to go potty. I can see it. Wow, is that the cool roller coaster?
Natalie, that's it for you.
Holy cow, you
Ooh,
guys.
there's lots of
I think
presents.
Santa had to have like an extra sleigh just to bring your presents or something. Look at where else did you put that?
I bet his friend.
And that. That's crazy.
He probably was here all night putting that together.
He had to bring some elves, I think.
Or
to help, huh?
he had lots of helpers.
Lift that thing up. I know. Look at. Audrey, stand next to that dollhouse.
It's a Barbie house.
Hey,
Audrey.
can you stand next to the Barbie dollhouse?
And stop collecting stuff.
Hello there.
Hey, stinker.
She just wants to see them all.
I know. She
Let her look.
wants to pick out which ones are hers.
Oh,
Okay, play.
Did he eat the cookies?
No.
go see if he ate the
Hey,
cookie.
Natalie, tell Dad what you said when. Natalie, tell Dad what you said when you came in this morning tonight.
Did he eat the cookies, Katie?
Yes.
Go see.
It's pretty funny.
He ate the cookies.
He ate them?
Yeah.
Oh,
Natalie, what did you tell me when you came in this morning?
I told you,
that's for you?
here's the present when I went downstairs. But I wanted to go like,
Did you already come down here and take a peek?
yours too.
Whoa, you can hardly carry them. There's so many.
Hey, I have 3 presents. So do I. Mommy has 3. This is one.
Wow, Katie, here.
Katie, here's one for you too.
Awesome.
Here's 3.
Wow. Let me grab, can I grab some?
I'm putting it down.
Yeah.
Look at this slide. Look at this slide.
Needs like a slide?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's this. How are you going to carry that thing? Where are you going to put that thing?
I don't know. We'll have to get a.
How did Santa bring this?
I don't know. We'll have to build a shed for that or something. It's huge.
Cute. Got a slide one? That slide. She wants you to make the slide.
Pretty awesome.